Once upon a time in the bustling town of Stocktopia, there lived two friends, Tim and Jenny. Both shared a common dream, to strike it rich in the stock market. However, their approaches to investing were as different as night and day. Tim, driven by impatience and the desire for quick wealth, jumped into the stock market with both feet. His excitement was palpable as he made impulsive trades, hoping for instant returns. Jenny, on the other hand, believed in the wisdom of Warren Buffett. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Jenny decided to share this timeless advice with Tim, hoping to steer him away from the pitfalls of impatience. Taking Tim on a journey through Stocktopia, Jenny explained the importance of patience. In this bustling city, imaginary shares were bought and sold like hotcakes. But the wise investors, like Jenny, were in it for the long haul. As Tim's impatience got the better of him, his investments swung like a roller coaster. One day he soared high with gains, and the next he plummeted into losses. Jenny, observing from a distance, maintained her composure, knowing that patience would be the key to success. Stocktopia faced a sudden economic downturn, and panic spread among the investors. Tim, unable to weather the storm, hastily sold his stocks at a loss, regretting his impulsive decisions. Jenny, however, stayed calm and held onto her well-researched investments. As Stocktopia recovered, so did Jenny's portfolio. She not only recovered her losses, but also earned a steady profit. Tim, witnessing Jenny's success, approached her for advice. Jenny smiled and shared the enduring lesson. The stock market rewards those who stay patient and adhere to a sound strategy. It's not a race, it's a journey. Warren Buffett was right. Patience pays. Realizing his mistake, Tim decided to change his strategy. He embraced patience and adopted a long-term vision for his investments. The tale concludes with Tim embarking on a new patient investment journey, eager to see how his fortunes would change in the world of stocks. And so, in Stocktopia, the timeless wisdom of patience continued to shape the destinies of investors, just as Warren Buffett had foretold.